नमस्कार मेरी प्यारी बच्चों, सबको आज के क्लास पे स्वागत। सो आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू आर फाइन देयर. लेट अस गो ऑन विद द क्लास टुडे. Okay, ready? Okay, my dear students, how are you all? Okay. So last time we had gone through a beautiful patriotic song, and the next lesson is about the patriotic song and our country, that is India. All are ready to go with me? Okay. Now let us discuss with the next lesson. देखो ना, पेज नंबर 34 पे देखो, हिंदुस्तान हमारा. इन पेज पे क्या क्या दिखाई जाती है? What all you see in this page? A Kathakali is there, and Kathak is there, and mosque is there, and a lady is dancing, that is Bharatanatyam, and folk dance. All this. So all these are seen in our country because different kinds of people are there, different cultures are there, different languages are there, different castes and religions are there. All this is in India. So India is a country of unity in diversity. It is a big country carrying lots of people with different languages, different customs, different religions, etc. So let me go through this lesson. Ready all of you? Okay. भारत संसार का ऐसा ताज है जिसकी चमक विश्व पर फैली है. सो our country is shining all over the world. इसकी खूबसूरत भौगोलिक झलक, समय समय पर रंग बदलते अनोखा मौसम, शान बनी संपन्न संस्कृति सब इस ताज में जड़े हीरे हैं. सो भौगोलिक झलक मीन्स geographical situation. The geographical situation of India is changing. Sometimes there will be rain. In the rainy season there will be rain. In summer season it is summer, and winter season it is winter. So it changes as per the situation, that is as per the season. This is only seen in India. Okay. Next let's go on. घने पेड़ों से सजे पर्वत, किलकिलाकर बहती नदियाँ, काली घटा से अपनी बलों को खोलकर झूमती बारिश, हरा घंघरा पहनकर नाचते लहलाते खेत, सब भारत की अपनी विशेषताओं है. सो what all are the विशेष of our country? What all are the situation of our country? घने पेड़ों से सजे पर्वत. So पर्वत here means mountains. How the mountains is seen? It is seen in different kinds of trees. When we see from here, the faraway mountain will be filled with the green. That is, it is filled with the trees, and a pahado is filled with the trees. Okay. So the next one. किलकिलाकर बहती नदियाँ. किलकिलाकर बहती नदियाँ means the flowing rivers, the beautiful flowing rivers. काली घटा से अपने बालों से खोल कर झूमती बारिश. That means when the rain comes, the clouds will be of black in color, and it is काली घटा. So the काली घटा से घूमते हुए बारिश, that means that the clouds bring rain to the land. Okay. हरा घंघरा पहनकर नाचते लहलहाते खेत, सब भारत की अपनी विशेषताओं हो. So what is हरा घंघरा? हरा color is green. Gangra is skirt. So we all, girls all wear skirt, right? So India is also wearing skirt. That is, the skirt is that field. Have you ever seen paddy field? Yeah, it will be green in color. It will be this much of height, and it will be very beautiful when when we see it. That will be filled with green in color. And here it is said that the green color skirt is worn by the field. That we see like fully it will be of green in color, greenish everywhere. Okay. चाहो ऋतुओं मेहमान बनकर मुस्कुराती हुई इस देश से गुजर जाती है. सो चाहो ऋतुओं means seasons. Summer season, rainy season, winter season, spring season, etc. मेहमान means guest. So the seasons come according like a guest. Season come like a guest. Then the season come like a guest and it will do its duty and go back. गर्मी सर्दी और बारिश सभी यहाँ हर साल अतिथि बनकर आते हैं. So hot, cold, गर्मी means hot, सर्दी means cold. So both varies here at season. Okay, when hot season, summer season come, hot is heavy. When rainy season come, cold is there, and when winter season come, cold is there. Rainy season come, rain is heavy. Like that it will adjust according to its season. ये फल फूल धूप पानी जैसे कई नजरें लेते हैं. What happens? यहाँ what will become when the season changes according to it, our environment also changes, like it gives fruits, flowers, etc. like this. Okay. जिससे सज दजता भारत देखने लायक है. So by all this, सज दजाता means decorated. Bharat is like decorated. It is decorated. Some for festivals we decorate, for some functions we decorate our house. Na same way Bharat is also decorated with these kind of seasons and flowers, fields, greenery, something like that. Okay. रहन सहन, वेशभूषा, खान पान, भाषा तथा धर्म अलग अलग होने पर भी भारतवासी एकता के साथ रहते हैं. So everything is different here. All people do not have same customs. Their customs change in accordance. Okay, Hindus have their own customs, Muslims have their own customs, Christians have their own customs. If even all this differs, the people are all one-minded and they are going together in good way. Okay. सब हिंदुस्तानी कहलाते हैं, इनकी पहचान एक है. So if all this differs also, all are saying that they are Indians. So all are Indians and all have oneness with them. They all live together. सब हिंदुस्तानी कहलाता है, इनकी पहचान एक है, इसीलिए ही एकता के साथ रहते हैं. इसीलिए ही मशहूर शायद मोहम्मद इकबाल ने फरमाया. Who is this? Muhammad Iqbal. It is a poet. Shair means it's a poet, famous poet, has said that, have framed that, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. That's a small poem. सारे जहां से अच्छा. Have you heard this poem? हिंदुस्तान हमारा. So who have composed it? मशहूर शायर मोहम्मद इकबाल. Who composed it? Muhammad Iqbal. So according to these lines, according to the poem, these lines say that सारे जहां से अच्छा, we are the beautiful one among all of them. Okay, so Hindustan is the beautiful one among all of them. Okay, so all are clear with this lesson. Okay, now take good care. Okay, till we meet in the next class. It's bye from me. Namaskar.